Moving inside, the interior has a bright and welcoming feel, with plenty of space throughout. To port, the fully appointed galley is well laid out, with a design that lends itself to practical use underway. The newly fitted port lights allow ample natural light and ventilation, enhancing the fresh and airy atmosphere below deck. The saloon is centered around a large, bifolding table, surrounded by comfortable seating, perfect for socializing or dining on board. Forward, the four-peak cabin, accessed via starboard entry, marks the first of 3 private cabins, all offering generous double berths. Warm wood trim, cabinetry, and soft furnishings are all in good condition, showing minimal age-related wear. The heads compartment includes an electric sea toilet, sink, and a hot and cold shower. The large navigation station is well equipped, with an array of navigational aids and access to the ship's electrical panel. Aft, twin cabins mirror each other, each offering large double berths, storage, and excellent ventilation with natural light. Altogether, the layout comfortably accommodates 6 across 3 private cabins, with the option for 2 additional berths in the saloon, ideal for family cruising or extended passages.